Good job. Eyes on the road, Papa.
I don't know. You asked me things about the thing and then you say, I don't know.
So, lakaw-lakaw. Lakaw-lakaw, Mino. Good morning, guys. It's Zondag today or Sunday today. And wala si Ana to sa akong in-laws. Once a week ato siya sa iyang lulong lola. So karon Ruth and I will go for a walk maybe by the lake or adto sa woods. Kakahuyan, lasang, adtome. At the moment, I'm waiting for Ruth ning drop by me sa Action. I mean sa shop. Og pasensya na mo sa akong breakouts no. I think wa gyud ka adjust akong kuan malabelo nga skin. Sa kuan dire, sa katugnaw dire. So, nag-breakout kung maayo dire no. Grabe na jud no, nag-party na sila dito. Party people. Okay. Kuan ang temperature karon 1 degree. Magtagalog man day ko no or English no. Magtagalog day ko. So sa mga kababayan natin bitaw I'm waiting for Ruth. I think he's still in nagline pa siya. And he doesn't like that when he's standing in line. Because sa shop, limited lang. Uy, padung na akong dudong diri. Ang dangarang ng dodong. Dali araw, uy. Huh? Dong, how many calories did you burn from running?
Like 2 chocolate balls?
Mani iyang gipalit sa sulod para maka-charge. Kapalit mi last time at wala na mo na tao. It won't smell in the car. It smells really bad.
Yeah, you have to take this. Put this on, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's gonna work?
Yeah, I see. It's turning blue.
Okay.
It is working.
Good job.
Yeah,
Eyes on the road, Papa.
I don't know. You asked me things about the thing and then you say, I don't know.
Are we going to say Sint Oderode?
Yeah.
Sint Oderode, dara. Sint Oderode, pero kuan dito. Sint Odenrode.
Yeah. Roy, we call it.
Oden.
Sint Oedenrode.
Oden. Sint Oderode. This is warm.
Yeah, of course, because I put that thing in by accident. That's why it's
Baho
warm.
kaayo, murag sunog. You. Maybe you secretly smoke in the car, ba?
Yeah, I secretly do that, yeah. Of course, man.
Of course ka dyan. No, Ruth doesn't smoke. I was just telling them I have breakouts here.
Yeah, you
Because,
don't have to tell them, they can see it.
Piste man
Yeah.
siya. Basagan ng trip man siya eh. Fish ko.
Yeah.
Yeah, that cloth. My Dutch is still really bad. After 2 months of staying here. Yeah, I have to practice more. Study more. Oefenen.
Oefenen, ja.
Studeren. Studeren?
Studeren, study, oefenen, practice.
Oefenen. Elke dag.
Ja.
Every day. Elke dag.
Ja.
Maar moeilijk. What's really difficult? Heel moeilijk. Very difficult.
Your destination is on the left.
Many mountainbikers. Yeah, it's open.
Destination is on the left.
Yeah, but I parked my car.
Chocomil.
Chocomel, take away.
Chocomel.
Yeah, you can of course
We park here.
drink it in. Yeah. I don't know how it works.
We are here.
Yeah. Oh, vlogging about.
How cold is it, Tudong? It's really cold.
For the winter, it's not cold, but
Nag-aso.
for Filipinos, it's like yeah, winter, extra winter.
Yeah, si Ruth kay sayo naligo. Tugnaw kayo. Yeah, I should have brought my tripod, Bong.
Yeah.
Shaky it if it's like this. It's shaky. It's really, 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 really cold.
Some people are always overreacting.
Overreacting. Really? It's really cold, Bang.
No, it's not that cold. It's not even freezing, man.
It's really cold. Kaso akong baba. Tugnaw, I joke.
If you see people ice skating, then it's cold.
Yeah, but then they're wearing really thick coats, Bang.
Yeah, that's up to you.
Yeah,
You
this is
wanna-
already thick for me, but it's really cold.
Yeah.
We're not even halfway.
Not even. We just started.
Yeah, I know,
2
we're not-
minutes ago.
We're not halfway na. Nagyaw-yaw na ko. Sino ko reklamo ka? Tugnaw kayo. I said I'm gonna bring my gloves, Bong, but because normally it's really cold. Like, my hands get cold easily. Like, really, really cold. How long? Boss, Bong, no? Boss or boss? Boss means woods or forest, Papa? Yeah, so daghang mo anhi magbike or maglakaw. In the Netherlands, it's a thing, Bang, no? Walking is a thing. And yeah, bicycling. Wa ko'y tripod, so medyo shaky ang video. Kami na adri. You think that...
Smaller ones and one big one. You
We're
can
gonna-
go to the bigger one.
Okay, we're gonna go past 2 lakes. Horses?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah?
Horse.
Ingon si Ruth. Na daw, nanganhi, nagkabayo. Maybe your footsteps, Papa. Like horses' footsteps.
Somebody's way. Is that Filipino? Is it Wano jokes again?
Hospital na lang kung katawa diya. Good. Yeah, that's a big lake, I think.
Not a big.
So, naabot na mi sa lake nga way tubig. I was just saying, lake without water. But nabi na tubig.
It's not a full
Tara,
lake.
gamay lang. Gamay nga tubig.
This is not a full lake, see? It's only a little one. Wow.
It's very beautiful though.
Yeah.
It's really nice. So, padayon na miglakaw, no? It's not cold, that cold anymore.
Yeah, because we are moving, yeah? And it's not
Yeah.
windy.
Yeah. I just hope it doesn't get windy. Taas kay sultan naon kay tapad man siya nako. I was just saying you look tall because you're next to me.
Yeah, that's nice, right?
Hapit na mi. asked you about it before, like if we can go somewhere on a picnic with Anna.
Yeah.
With Anna. Maybe in the summer. Or before zomer, Papa. Like spring going summer. Luyo na akong ilong. Pingot na kayo. In the Netherlands, it doesn't snow, yeah.
No, not
Nee?
everywhere.
Yeah, but tungkol sa kabugnaw, nag-ice ang tubig. Nara. Do you wanna step on it, Buang? Na nag-ice siya. Tapos na akong malobat. Pam. Padong nami sa Den Boss. Padong nami Madam She's gonna be 15 to 20 minutes before we arrive at Sheila's place.
20.
Massport ay lakay sa Massport. 20?
She said
Massport.
the far end of the mall.
Nanami sa ilang Sheila. Nanami dire. Lingaw kay akong anak, oh. Hi, Anna! Hi, Ate Chloe!
Ate Chloe, say hi. Oh, she wants to be on YouTube, so you can put her.
Yeah, Anna really likes Chloe, yeah. Instant kailangan connection. Ritso.
Mga Pinay is siya say de hand van Anna vasthoudt.
Ja, dat is raar.
Ja, maar Gigi is ook lichter dan mij. Ik ben donkerder. Nou
Ja,
ben
weet
ik
je
iets
misschien, ja.
lichter, omdat het winter is, maar normaal ben
Ja?
ik echt bruin.
Wil je pas schoon?
Nee, ja, laat ze. Maar wel kijken dat zij niet valt zo.
Ja, vroeger vliegt wel vroeg sokkenlandje van, is dat jouw kind? Ja,
Hi!
bij de douane natuurlijk, die denken van, hé, wordt hier geen kind
Kapit din Ate
gesmokkeld?
Chloe. Hi!
Nee, mijn man moet ook werken.
Jij is hoor.
Ja, eigenlijk
Ja?
vind ik hem dat een beetje...
Si Chloe kaya nagtanaw sa among video.
En haar lichaam is dan een beetje rood of zo.
Sa ko na.
Ja, het hangt af van, hè.
Hi!
Daar misschien was hij bezig. Hetzelfde als jij. Als jij elke keer bezig, dan komt alle bloed in jouw lichaam. Dan ben jij roder.
En als ze naar het licht kijken of naar de camera, dan kijkt ze met heel grote ogen.
En nou is hij zen.
Si Madam Ogoan is the adi ng foundation. Oh, dara. Oh my God! Grabe ay, kalami. Ito yung pinakagim pag yung isda. Kalami, ani. Oh my gosh. Uy, kalami. Hello. So, unsa nang time ron siya? Mga 4 na kapinong. It's almost 5 o'clock sa hapon. Hapon ko na pero mong kilom-kilom na dire. And, kuyog mini Sheila og iyahang baby na maglakaw-lakaw mi dire Char.
Char.
Tora ang anak ni Sheila nag-una na. Ay, tugnaw. Uy, tingnan ko. Ang ganiya siya. Pagpadaw na mo dire kay 3 degrees.
Oh, bug mo na kung karoon na yun. Mag-snow for you.
Ikaw ginagduso ni Ana, no?
Experience na mag-snow.
I think mag-snow next week ko, no? Basin.
Yeah?
Yeah. Akong baba nag-aso-aso na sad. So, So, ikaw gyud akong i-vlog, no?
Hala, ayaw lang ko i-focus. Pwede. Pwede palabay-labay.
Kay,
Lagi na.
nice lagi na ang kung ano, ang plus. Plus.
Mag-share pa ito dito, oh. Manapay mas
Una
dako
mas
dito,
Chloe.
G.
Kanang nag-decorate ko sa lagi sa Christmas tree ganiha. Nya. Naman siya yung mga...
So on.
Ana! Ate Chloe, oh! Hi! Hi, Papa! Hi, Papa! Hi, Papa! Hi! Hi, Papa! Hi! Sige ka tawa. Ay, gigigig. Hi! Kiss ka, Ate Chloe?
Chloe, take air.
Ha? Nag-kiss si Ate Chloe ni mo? Kiss na ka, Ate Chloe? Ha? Hi, Ate Chloe. Hi, Ana. Hi. Bitaw, naabot na may balik sa balay ni Sheila. So, maulan to atong atong vlog, no? Ang madam, eh. Dito siya balay. Kuan kayo siya ka na.
Walay.
Nagisuon. Ang sa to? Chloe. Chloe. Hi sa tanan. Hi.
Close set more in
Bisaya.
Bisaya. Salamat. Thank you, Bel.
Salamat.
Kay Q. Salamat for watching.
Salamat po.
For watching. Salamat po di ay Without. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Next time na po.
Close set more maayong gabi.
Mayang gabi.
Ayan kami.
Maayang kape. Pinaslang man. See you on the next vlog. Bye-bye.